Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your crypto.com account. First, download the crypto.com app and register. You'll need to provide your full legal name and a valid email address. Next, prepare to submit a government-issued identification document, like a driver's license or passport, along with a clear selfie. This process ensures your account is secure and compliant with regulations, allowing you to access all features. When submitting your documents, make sure your government-issued ID is current and all details are clearly legible. Your selfie should be well lit and match the photo on your ID. Double-check all the information you've entered for accuracy before hitting submit. This helps prevent delays and ensures a smooth verification process, getting you trading faster. After submitting your documents, the crypto.com team will review your information. This verification process usually takes a few hours, but in some cases, it might extend up to several business days. You'll receive an email notification as soon as your account is fully verified. If you experience significant delays, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support for assistance. Once your crypto.com account is fully verified, you'll gain complete access to all its features, including buying, selling, and staking cryptocurrencies. For enhanced security, we highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication immediately. This adds an extra layer of protection to your assets. Also, for those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Enjoy your verified crypto.com experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.